Hi everyone, I'm Yosuke from Teijin Pharma. We are a healthcare company that operates in the Japanese market. Firstly, let me give you an overview of our main products. Our unique feature is that we deal with both pharmaceuticals and medical devices, particularly in the same disease area. When it comes to medical devices, we specifically focus on home healthcare, so we do not handle ones intended for in-hospital use. We have products in the respiratory, orthopedics, cardiovascular, and metabolic fields. However, our strength lies particularly in the respiratory area, where we have established leading market share in Japan with our oxygen concentrator, mainly for COPD patients, and CPAP ventilators for sleep apnea patients. This slide shows our business model for medical devices in Japan. It's almost the same structure as DME providers in the US. We deliver medical devices directly to the patient homes and provide setup, education, and maintenance services. One of our key strengths is our ability to support patients even during emergencies such as earthquakes or typhoons, which are unfortunately common in Japan. We also have a 24/7 call center to promptly address any patient inquiries. These services are covered by national health insurance coverage, meaning patients receive prescription by doctors and are covered by insurance. We receive rental fees from the hospital, which is how we generate revenue. To provide these services, we have a sales force of around 2,000 individuals, and we have a wide network of branches and regional offices throughout Japan. Our strong support infrastructure for patients is a significant advantage of our company. Therefore, I'm currently seeking new medical devices in the US that can further leverage this infrastructure. In this slide, I would like to focus on medical devices that particularly interest us. Given our expertise and core business in the respiratory field, we are primarily seeking new medical devices in this disease area. Additionally, we are interested in the devices for rare or difficult to treat diseases that can benefit from our robust patient support infrastructure. We are also considering expanding into the field of psychiatric disorders such as depression, panic attack, PTSD, and ADHD. While we prefer devices used for home treatment, we are open to devices that require initial treatment in a hospital but require ongoing support at home. Furthermore, we believe that monitoring devices for early detection of exacerbation in the respiratory field, like COPD, that can help reduce readmission would be highly desirable. In terms of collaboration with startups, we would be happy to obtain regulatory approval and reimbursement in Japan with our internal experts, and we distribute the product in the Japanese market. This slide shows our recently executed deals, primarily distribution agreement in the Japanese market. As I mentioned earlier, we focus on respiratory diseases like sleep apnea or COPD, and we aim to expand our business into psychiatric disorders like depression and ADHD. While I mainly focus on startups in relatively later stages, like around FDA approval, We are also open to collaboration through investments for early-stage startups. We are the single limited partner of Medtech Convergence Fund, which is a venture capital fund in the US, and they are actively invest in the early-stage startups. They have already invested in several companies, but still have available new investment opportunities. And that's it. I'm eager to explore potential partnerships and hear about any medical devices that align with our focus. If you have any questions or suggestions, I'd be more than happy to discuss them with you. Thanks.